Hey, take a pic, YouTube. MCHL8 208 transfer case. Starting to pull her apart. It's for the Ford application. There's the section right there, the tail shaft section. What I'm getting here, I've selected the two-wheel drive high position. I can't see in there. This is what it's doing when I'm trying to select high range. I couldn't get it. It would jump in and out. I could run it for a while. It'll be alright, diligently. And it just got so bad it just wouldn't move. I nursed it back in low range. It does it in 2 and 4 high. I think it's in planetary. We're gonna open it up and take a look. I don't know if it's fixable or not. See how simple it is. If it isn't, get another one. I was wondering if a bog warner would work. Like 1357 or something like that. There's a couple of them they used. They used this one. There was 2 bog warners. They used 1100 something, and there was a 1357, I think, something like that. I'd like to explore it. I want to get a count of these splines, if not on that side, shaft diameters, things like that. See what I can come up with. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause, and I'll pick this up when I split it, because I'm going to pull the center bolts and open it up some more, and hope I can put it back together, if nothing else, for just a core. I'll see you in a minute. I paused you for a minute, and we got all them bolts out of there, like 9 bolts around that half casing. I am going to make me a cigarette real quick. Excuse me a second. Because we're going to open this up and see what we can see. And so, you know what? This iPhone thing is all new for me. So, I'm going to grab the little hammers, if we can open her up. How's that? This way. She ain't going to give. Let's take and go. Nope. Oh, getting hollow. Yep. Right, she's getting hollow, but she ain't there yet. I know it's aluminum, you're not supposed to be banging on them like that, but I think it's junk anyway. Okay.
You've been there for days.
She's open. One more down here. Damn. Damn. Give me a little bar. Give me a little bar. She'll open right up.
You tapped all these out. Yeah, all these.
Come on, get in there. Working one-handed's tough. But I'm doing this for the YouTube population. I know I got all my bolts. Right? Yeah, I got them all bolts.
Front, back, that's the top whole thing.
Okay, what's jamming it up? I'm gonna double check, make sure I got my bolts. I know I did. Yeah, I got all the bolts. Oh, I missed one. Did I? No, No, that's for this guard. Only for the guard, right? Yeah. Nope. Nope. Yeah, that's only for the guard. Excuse me. Try again. She's just jammed up real good right there.
But I'm pretty sure that gasket,
We're gonna take.
this gasket has to go on first.
See if I can get a smaller point bar.
On this.
See if I can get a smaller point. That thing right there. Put this on the crate a little better. Whoa, I just pulled something out. I don't want that.
It does.
This thing isn't giving. I gotta put you on hold again. Having a lot of trouble here. Okay, we got her now. This dowel pin right here was seized in there real good. You can probably see a bit of the rust. That's all that was jamming us up. Now we got her. Now we got her. Yeah, she'll walk right on out of there now.
That's what I'm trying.
See that? She's good and ready. She'll fall right off of there. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. All that. Look at that mud down there. You see that mud down in there? Speaking of which, the other piece. I'll lay that like that. This other piece here. Wanted to show you just for the hell of it. Down in the bottom there, that's just the way she lays on the case. Put that back there like this for now. So yeah, like that. Put her back on that piece of cardboard. So now, not only we're looking at a transfer case for the first time, and study this. The question is why is it misbehaving? You can't see nothing. See the dirt on the end there. I didn't drop this thing. There's dirt down in there. I don't know. I don't get this. But we'll find out here in a minute. Yeah, there's a planetary right back in there. And does this have an oil pump? Yeah. There's a slop catcher right there. Yep, there's a slop catcher. You see it? Yeah, you can see it if I back off enough. Not bad. Nice for 127,000. Really nice. Dripping a little bit of oil. So I'm going to experiment a little bit more and see what I can see here. Clean my hands up here. I got this iPhone I'm making these recordings with. It's, I like the thing for internet, shit like that, but I don't have a computer like I did to take my videos. And this is a whole nother thing for me. Gotta keep clean hands and all that. You know what I mean? Smudge up your screen. So I'm gonna put this on hold. We're getting up around 13 minutes. I'm gonna keep this down to 2 more minutes or something. Okay, thanks for looking. I'll be right back with you.
Yeah.
Okay, I found some of the problem. Okay, I was thinking my problem was going to be down. You can't see it in there. If you look behind that chain, there you go. You see that spline right there? And right behind that is a catch.